children.
Hello, my dear explorers. Today, I want to tell you about a truly fascinating type of artificial intelligence, generative adversarial networks. That might sound complicated, but I promise it will be an exciting and simple adventure. Together, we will discover how artificial intelligence can create something completely new by comparing different ideas. Are you ready to explore the world of artificial intelligence with me? Let us go. In the tunnel of thoughts, I met Laser Peacock and Robo Bunny, who started wondering what generative adversarial networks could be. Laser Peacock thought it meant two robots trying to draw mustaches on each other's faces. One keeps making new ones, and the other keeps fixing them, saying they are not fancy enough. Robo Bunny, on the other hand, believed it was when one robot draws cookies and the other eats them, checking if they are tasty enough. Their ideas made me laugh, but I explained that generative adversarial networks are actually two artificial intelligence programs. One creates something new, and the other judges if it looks real enough. And that is how they learn together. In the cloud library, Drono Raven was telling Robo Squirrel how his artificial intelligence used generative adversarial networks to train a system for spotting fake documents. One program made better and better fake identification cards, while the other tried to catch them, until both became experts at their jobs. Robo Squirrel added that in her project, one network learned to generate images of different birds, and the other checked if they looked like real nature photos. Both examples perfectly showed how this technique works. I explained to them that generative adversarial networks learn through competition. One creates data, the other judges it, until the results look amazingly real. On the Sky platform, I met Techno Eagle and NeuroMonkey. I decided to test their knowledge and asked what they knew about generative adversarial networks. Techno Eagle explained that these are two cooperating artificial intelligence systems. One, called the generator, creates new data, and the other, called the discriminator, judges that data. Generators keep learning until the data is just right. NeuroMonkey pointed out that the whole process is based on competition. One model tries to quote-unquote trick the other, and thanks to this rivalry, both get better and better. I praised them for their great answers. Generative adversarial networks are teams of artificial intelligence that learn through competition. One creates, the other judges until the results become very realistic. My dear friends, today we learned about generative adversarial networks. We discovered that two artificial intelligence models can work together by competing, creating amazing things, from realistic images to complicated codes and robot movements. I hope this adventure was as interesting for you as it was for me. See you soon for our next meeting in the world of artificial intelligence.